Hi, I'm Andy Joles. Welcome back to Video Credit Score. We're going to talk a little bit about student loan types and how they affect your credit. So let's jump in. First off, we need to talk about the various types of student loans. You got your government-backed student loans. You've got your government-backed loans that are for parents. Then you got your private student loans, and then you have consolidation loans. We'll talk a little bit more about each one of these. And we're looking from the perspective of how your credit is checked. So starting off with loans for students, their credit isn't checked. And this is because most students are not expected to have a credit history at all. So it wouldn't be that useful to check anyway because most students don't have a credit history. So those are the Stafford loans and the Perkins loans. So let's talk a little bit about the parent government-backed loans. And these are the PLUS loans. And so it's a parent loan for an undergraduate student. And in this case, the credit of the parent is checked. But here's the deal. Unless you're delinquent on a current loan or really late on a current loan, then you're probably going to be okay. So your credit score doesn't matter so much. They're looking for the exact behavior that they're trying to prevent on their loan. So as long as you bring your loans up to date, even if your score is not so good, they're probably going to go ahead with it. So let's talk about private loans. Now, private loans, these are not government-backed securities, so as you would expect, they're looking for a little bit more risk protection. So they're going to definitely check your credit score, and what they're going to do is they're going to vary the rate based on the credit that they see and based on the credit score that they see. So this is why private loans typically have rates that can be a lot higher than the comparable on the government side, and that's because, especially if you don't have a very good credit score, they're going to push up your rate. Now, consolidation loans, the answer here is kind of mixed. There are some consolidation loans that check credit, and there are some that do not. As you can see here, Sallie Mae's Smart Loan does not require a credit check, and that is a consolidation loan. So you really just have to check in when you're doing a consolidation loan to make sure the provider you're using is either checking or not checking, depending on what you're looking for. So that's a quick overview of the student loan types and credit scores. You know where to come. You want to learn more, videocreditscore.com. You can also friend me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. See you soon.
Remember, everyone's situation is different. Be sure to contact a financial advisor or a credit counseling professional before making important financial decisions. This video broadcast is for educational purposes and not a substitute for receiving personalized professional advice.